In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to turn off permissions for Google Forms. This step-by-step guide is designed to make the process as straightforward as possible, so whether you're new to using Google Forms or just need a refresher, you're in the right place. Let's start by opening your preferred web browser and navigating to the Google Forms website. Once you're there, you'll want to locate the specific form for which you'd like to adjust the permissions. You'll need to click on the form to open it. With your form open, look towards the top right corner of the screen. You should see an icon labeled More, represented by 3 vertical dots. Go ahead and click on this More icon. After you have clicked on the More icon, a drop-down menu will appear. From this menu, select Add Collaborators. This will bring up a window where you can manage who has access to your form. Now, in this window, you'll spot a little gear icon which symbolizes settings. Click on that gear icon and you'll be taken to the form settings options. Within these settings, you'll notice some checkboxes that pertain to permissions. The specific options available might vary based on your Google account type or organizational settings, but typically, you'll see options related to who can submit responses, whether it's limited to people within your organization or open to anyone with the link. Take your time to look through these options to ensure they align with your needs. To turn off specific permissions, simply uncheck the boxes corresponding to abilities you wish to disable. Commonly adjusted settings include disabling the requirement for respondents to be logged in to view the form, or turning off the collection of email addresses so respondents can answer anonymously. Once you've made your selections, remember to save your changes by clicking Save, or simply navigate out of the Settings menu, as changes might automatically be saved depending on the version you are using. After saving, double-check everything by viewing your form as a respondent would. This helps ensure that everything is set up exactly how you intend it to be. You can do this by clicking the eye icon at the top of the page to preview your form and check the permissions settings. And that's it. You have successfully adjusted the permissions for your Google form. If you have any questions or need further assistance, don't hesitate to leave a comment below. Remember, getting the settings just right is crucial for gathering the data you need effectively and securely. Thank you for watching, and don't forget to subscribe for more helpful tutorials like this one.